Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the engine starter on GMC Terrain, guys. That generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find them. Please guys, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. We'll talk what else you need to check, not just these fuses relays, there could be something else as well. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. Engine starter, fuses, relays, guys, come to explain where you can expect to find them on that generation GMC Terrain right here. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. So that's why guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, what we need to do, open the hood and facing the engine on the right side. We're talking on the driver's side here. That's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, clip there. When you release these clips, you can lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here what we need to check. First we need to check one fuse, one relay. We'll talk about that now, and then we will explain what else. So make sure to stay until the end. Fuse number 9 is your main fuse for the engine starter. We're talking about this 30 amp fuse right here. What about the main relay for the engine starter, guys? We're talking specifically about relay 67. And this is that relay right here. 9, fuse number 9 and relay 67, right next to each other. If you still have problems with the engine starter, guys, okay, you may want to check fuses and relays for the ignition switch, engine computer, and for the theft deterrent system. We will have the videos on the channel if you need about help with that, but also if you want to know why engine starter doesn't work, we have a special video that will explain what you need to check, what problems can cause that, and what people always overlook as well. But the main fuses relays are those that we showed you in this video today. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.